Can telomeres make human cells immortal? The term cell immortalization has been applied to the effects of telomeres on cells. But what does this term mean? Cells regenerate themselves through a process known as cell replication. This is when one cell produces two new cells, which are called daughter cells that are copies of the original cell. For example, a liver cell can produce new liver cells through cell replication. A skin cell can produce a new skin cell through cell replication, and so on. Cell replication is how tissues are able to repair themselves or grow when needed. However, when DNA becomes damaged, it sends a signal inside the cell to stop cell replication. This loss of cell replication can limit the ability of tissues to repair themselves. Telomeres can protect DNA from the damage that would stop cell replication. By blocking the DNA damage that stops replication, telomeres have the potential to allow cell replication to continue possibly without end, meaning human tissues may be able to repair themselves without end. If tissues can repair themselves without end, it raises the questions if the tissue type is forever able to regenerate and repair itself. Can the tissue type live forever? While this question is about a tissue type, it may also answer the question about cell immortalization. This protection that telomeres provide for DNA allows for cell replication to continue. Telomeres do nothing to stop the original cell that began the replication from dying. Telomeres instead allow for the same tissue type as the original cell to be replicated through unlimited amounts of replication. Thus, cell immortalization is not referring to keeping one single cell alive forever. Telomeres provide cell immortalization through allowing one type of cell to replicate forever. However, endless replication of cells may not necessarily be beneficial for human health, as cell immortalization has been observed in cancer cells.